Are there some good or touching memories about this theater that you want to share?
Everything. This whole 2 years, it's everything that I want to share, because it's like my family right now for me. I'm Nazar. I'm Ukrainian, and I'm here just living and doing theater. I came here in March 2022. It was like 3rd March or 2nd, I don't remember the exact date. And when we came to Denmark, it was like nothing. And I don't know when I'm gonna see my parents, like my father, or also my grandparents. Each of your finger is a pencil, so you're making a good picture. I don't know. Vivaldi, будь ласка.
First season Vivaldi.
Or yeah. The name is Вільний птах. It's translated as a free bird. And Dana, our director, she found this, and she's a professional actress from Ukraine.
My theater is not classic. We started with performance in Square City. We made not just demonstration. We made performance. After performance in the square, we started theater play.
She likes art. She wants to show Ukrainian culture to another cultures.
Now we make Christmas performance with songs. Traditional Ukraine.
І ще, коротше, коли ви побачите вертеп, вибачаюся, зараз трохи матюкнусь, але зрозумійте, вертеп буде роз'їб. Okay, so I said to like everyone who's gonna watch our performance in live, no, you should know it will be fucking awesome. I don't know if I can swear or not, but
everyone are happy here in theater. I hope. I hope. I think only such a theater is real when all people happy. When we make a performance together, very nice.
Peccatum, cantatum, extatum, id aratum. Peccatum, extatum, nomine patrum. Nomine patrum.
Theater is life. Almost all money I'm investing in theater. Costumes, decoration. I'm happy that I have Slava. I have support. We all make together. Theater looks like a family.
Every time when I came to this theater, the energy, the feelings of other people just make you more happy and make you like want to live and love life. I can't just say, oh, this moment it's the best. No, the whole experience, the whole 2 years that this theater exists, that's what I want to share, because you can't just say, oh, only this one, it's better than this one. No, everything that we did, it's important in some ways, and you can just make something better than other.
Мені квітку надії, бо давно вже ти увійшла в мої мрії.